Hi, I'm Vashan Nazar, LinkedIn trainer. I am also LinkedIn automation tool expert. Dripify just introduced new pre-built sequence templates. Let's talk about these templates in this video. First of all, you just need to open your Dripify, and after this now you can see that here is a button of what's new in Dripify. And now you can see that Dripify introduced pre-built sequence templates. Dripify templates are designed to help you build effective sequence in minutes without starting from scratch. Before this, when Dripify did not introduce pre-built sequence template, when we are just making all the sequence manually, it takes a time. But now Dripify introduced pre-built sequence templates. So let's start the campaign. First of all, you just need to click on campaign, and then you just need to click on new campaign, and from here you can need to click here the add leads, and from here you can select any button from here. For example, if you need a search from LinkedIn basic search, sales navigator, my network, first degree connection, CSV file, so different options are available. You can choose according to your requirement. For example, this time I'm just choosing here CSV file, and after this you just need to click here and choose the CSV file that you want to upload here, and after this you just need to click on next, and different filters are available. You can choose according to your requirement. For example, if you don't like to send connection less than 500 connection, you just need to click on. Otherwise, these are the options you can select according to your requirement, and after this you just need to click on next. And here you just need to give the name of the campaign. For example, I'm just giving here the testing 2 and create a list. And after this you just need to click on next, and now you can see that there are 4 type of campaigns. Now you can see that generate leads, recruitment, build connection, engagement, and network. And when we just click here the generate leads, and now you can see that in generate leads different more campaigns are available, like a LinkedIn and email. It's a mixture of email and LinkedIn connection request. Now you can see that. So you can choose all those things according to your requirement. And now you can see that here is also right here the message preview. You can make a message according to your target audience pain point. So different things are available. You can choose according to your requirement. It also gives some example, so you can choose all those things according to your requirement. And now different more things are available. For example, if you don't like email and LinkedIn together, you can also select just a LinkedIn. For example, this is just a LinkedIn, send a connection request, and after this, after 1 hour message, and now you can see that, and after 3 days message. So you can also change these days according to your requirement, and different more things are available. So you can choose according to your requirement. Page follower, and now you can see that attention builder, and now you can see that. So different things are available. You can choose all these templates according to your requirement. And if you are a recruiter, and then you just need to select as a recruiter. And now LinkedIn and email, just a LinkedIn, and so different things are available. You can choose according to your requirement, and build connection, and now you can see that partnership builders, PR and influence flow, industry peer connection, engagement with network. This way, just you are not sending a connection request. You are just sending engagements like a post, because it's an engagement with network. And now I want to show you so totally understand. And now in this campaign, you are not sending any kind of connection request or email, just a message, just a like post, endorsement skill, because these are already your first degree connection. So different things are available. You can choose all those things according to your requirement. For example, I'm just selecting here the light prospecting, and now send connection request, and now this is the add note message. You can make add notes message according to your requirement, and after 1 hour, if your connection request is accepted, message 3 days, 4 days. So different sequences are available. You can choose according to your requirement. For example, I'm just choosing this template, and different modes are available. So you can choose according to your requirement, and Okay, and from here you just need to write the message, and now you can see that you can change this message and different placeholders are available, so you can choose all these placeholders according to your requirement, and different more messages are available. And once you are satisfied, you just need to click on next. And if you want to change these from here, you can also change, and now you can see that, and now you can see that. And one more thing, before this campaign, we cannot change the sequence, and from here we can also change the sequence. This is also new feature, so we just need to click on next, and we just need to complete the message. For example, hello first name, this is example, and same like it, we need to write the second message, and same like this we need to make a third message. And now you can see that here are different pain points and different example of messages, so you can use these messages, or you can also make other message according to your requirement. And once you are satisfied, you just need to click on next. And here again you need to give the name of the campaign, and then you just need to click on save and launch. And now your campaign is running with the help of pre-built templates. And from here, if you want to delete, you just need to click on delete. And if you want to change the sequence, from here you can also change the sequence. Now I want to show you, and now you can see that from here you can also change the sequence, and different more things are available. From here you can also check here the how many messages Dripify sent, replied, and now you can see that. So different things are available. You can choose all these things according to your requirement. Hope you understand how to use pre-built templates. If you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.